Nisheba se nyame adum bibia boko.
Nyankopɔn da Roma. Yeah, here.
Mpacho enra yehu se Ghana Football Association mumpeni for a kan mo ne technical team ne Black Stars abe first training. Yehu se players 9 pe enkron ene baye. Na yenim se bi kra so aba omo ntima mepiem e training grounds. Yenya ne ntia so se o eye Elijah Owusu pra ya Fred Lawrence se omehye mpacho Black Stars pe current happenings there cost our Ghana camp any the mobile nkosi efiada wadarma.
I mean, say free Elisha. And Elisha and Chimiam. Saturday no na the club to nkra say the waka into member. Of course, he's one of the very loyal servants we have had since 2022. About team. Immediately the coaches looked on their list and Omo decided to Ombefe Abante Feno Lawrence Echekum. Na Wabashena nine. Lawrence is in camp. He has arrived in terms of players on year training and run, that is true. We had 3 goalkeepers and 6 outfield players and now on year training. Kudus in year training because he was excused by the coach. And now there were a number of arrivals. Christopher Busuba by Nyaki by Jerry Free Abitu, Abu Francis Abitu, Enes Miyama Abitu, Jerome Opoku Abitu, Alexander Jiko Aba, Kingsley Schindler Aba. So far, I'm saying the only player in the gymnastics. Ebenezer Annan. I knew say he was supposed to come late in the night as at 12 Kodanona or Nyamikuye. But we are not I think we have had almost all the players in camp at this point. Nyame Abdumwa and never to training so or a class for 5:30 Sanyandra. And for the second time, today's training is open to the public. We will train behind closed doors. Thursday, the coach will address the media at 4:50, and then the first 15 minutes of the training is also open to the media on Thursday, and then on Friday we will play the match against Chad.
Right. Where the young free Black Stars kakrasima. And now you say Executive Council of the GFA led by the President and RFA Chairman. Womu Etuanamu call Minister of Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Adams Asweye. Mr. Butai Ben ana Ebatasa and Strashwe.
Well, first of all, we have to recognize the fact that government is a development partner. All over the world, football development is done hand in hand with the government. And since Ura Kofi Adams taking over as Minister for Sport and Recreation, they're calling us in print. First one I call and it was concerning instructor incident the second time we went to him was to introduce the new technical team to the minister. And then yesterday, for agreement, Omujidi said, Omo die football, no Omudi football, Muntiti, my Omo die football anymore. I was said, Yene Abino Enya Chakabi. Now only Abino Binya Chaka. Through diverse ways. The representative of the president, as far as sports is concerned, a minister, and Tina and I call and answer. First of all, he was to introduce the executive council to him, and then the regional football association chairman as well to him. A program to tie in to your match I ever on Friday, and commodity be brain also football development, what we have been able to do so far since 2019 administration will take you over. Some of the policies we have rolled out, there was a need for us to update the minister to give him first-hand information on a number of issues that have happened during the last 4.5 years or so. And then, of course, he also assured the council, say, they are buying between from policy formulation to infrastructure development and development of football at large, and then also a need for government to see, say, to come to the aid of the sport. All things were discussed. You minister now a copy of a document we have put together, copy IFNO, State of Ghana Football, copy. This detailed across various competitions, policy interventions, initiatives. We gave him a copy of that document. From there, Minister Nkwana Council no from there no Council no share the leadership of the Sports Writers Association of Ghana. Because we also see sports journalists as a development partner and a major stakeholder. To me, she has sports journalists across the country. So the best way to do it was to meet the association. Now I convey a message through the association, and it will trickle down to the members. And especially, you better also council no beko parliament. I could share the leadership of parliament. From parliament, they will also meet the leadership of the Professional Footballers Association of Ghana, PFAG, Panibafo, Eda Nono. And it's all about support, it's all about dialogue, it's all about engagement, it's all about finding the best ways to develop the sport. After the meeting with PFAG, they will also come to the stadium and meet the players of the Black Stars. You may back home in Sabia. I think say the best so now I tie in with your match, your bono, and I think so far the discussions with the minister and SWAG have been a huge success. The engagement in Parliament and then that with PFAG will follow similar suit.
Bacho na say na Yentimian qualify for the African Cup of Nations. Na say yes, some World Cup qualifiers I say. Yawa reshemu say Ghana for the donor fan base ne about the 30 minutes. Then a GFN share him in terms of fans reaction ahead of Friday.
Well, Nana Afcono, young Kono. Sorry, and you'll be able to from a playing body, technical team, we are associated with the team. They are able to say, let's go Afcono. They are making say, kind of for Abotok, kind of for the Gona, before a show me, and I don't know so now, about show me.
Hello, Gazi.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
That page is closed. We are beginning a new journey from Friday. So far, 4 matches I have bought in the qualifiers. You're winning and you're losing back. So we strongly believe it is possible. According to Ayew, America and the US and Canada. Mexico and Canada, it's not going to be easy around this time when we have gone through such a rough moment in the AFCON qualifiers. Enough, but you know, any swadi no one say. Any swadi no one say. The day, unfortunate AFCON campaign, you know, a better yet. Now, yashe any. Any more especially, you know, it's simple. That is to win the rest of the matches in the World Cup qualifiers and make it to the 2026 World Cup. It will not be easy. It's going to be extremely difficult. Sometimes in moments like this, players, everybody, sometimes over doubt it. Or mindset, you have some doubts. But we believe so much in what we have done so far. One of the things we decided to do was to visit the players. Vice Chairman of the Management Committee, Stephen Apia, President Kate Otto Abdo Nankasa, Head Coach, and Vice President Mark Addo. For the past 2-3 months, they have been visiting the players at their respective clubs, at their base in Europe. And that was to tell them, say, we are still with them. Unfortunately, saying to me, I'm qualified for the AFCON. But the bigger picture is to make it to the World Cup. And so there was a need for us to remind ourselves of our responsibility. And that responsibility is to ensure that in Nairobi together, now it's me, the team, Ako World Cup. These players know the importance of playing at the World Cup, the biggest level in football. The technical team and I believe that all these will translate into results beginning from Friday.
I'm for be so adwin yo mu say born de yankra no omye de ombetimi a bia seka ombe qualify for AFCON no na ye lucky leadership kakra on the field of play. Mr. One about Captain Black Stars Friday.
Oh, no, it's not in doubt. The last time the coach spoke about captaincy, he said Jordan is his captain, and that hasn't changed. And he is still the leader of the team.
Right, Agostina, do I have friend local players CB about team no do any aje Kamara Dini Mamadou Benjamin Asare and Razak pony Kamara put the Oma Kubida intino and no anesa but not just a local game no so and penny for asim here pa na no that sorry ya and so achairman for si Ghana ball no de omu mobium sankrawe edu GF anim na maso mu sen anan kiemo Ghana ball ni wiansa.
Oh, I know there is an ESCO meeting today to discuss domestic competitions. Even though I will not be in the meeting because no camp, in himself, that issue will come up in their discussion. One of the things, aside the visits that I've already mentioned, there is also an executive council meeting today to look at domestic competitions and other national team assignments. And I know that they will take a firm decision on that. Once they take a firm decision on that, we will communicate to the public.
Right. I was saying, Agrobe Sonsoa, Franopa. Yeah. Additions to the technical team with Wilfred Schaefer and then Desmond Affair. Sorry. Mbeze Mbusa, Omni Otoado Ejumaye no Enra first day of national team training. Waka Sawu observe anything?
Good morning. Good. Nana the other can say, Omo Ashe Ejumase Ache Kaka. Even though physically the public were not seeing it until Enra. Winfred experience, Desmond, the attitude to work, professional. Otto's attention to detail, top notch. with the support of John Pinto, we believe that we have assembled a very strong technical team, not forgetting Fatah Udauda, who is the goalkeeper's coach. They are working together very, very well. Omajele, very, very well. And we believe that when Fresh for experience and then the ideas, and then the methodology, or the on board. So far, he has shown that he is a very good leader. The Adiaba to complement the work of Otto, John, and Desmond has been good. Desmond is also coming from another angle with so much power and energy to work. Sabi Oyegan and Krapim Niba, Ayew had life in England and later to Belgium, played football to a certain level. Unfortunately, he had to retire because of injury. Now he went into coaching. What he has demonstrated over the period since he didn't buy, a very positive signal. What he did with the U20 and what he has contributed to the technical department, very impressive. And some of these things indeed tell us that putting them together would yield results. And yeah, I said, a superba and Fasona, a Baswaba Padiamaye, if you had a enemy.
Now, and a PFAG meeting, but I been a territory.
Oh, every footballer in the Black Stars is a member of the PFAG. Every player, 90%, if not more, of the membership, either ex-players, even today as we speak, the president of PFAG, Asante Twum, a stalwart in Ghana football, the vice, Joseph Tetezuta, who is now a staff of the FA, is also another asset. Producing. We believe that we will need their support in the forward march of our football. Our experience is never in doubt. Yeah, call Nasi, yeah, call Geo, my dream training, my dream to not be share, and then we will all come on board to support.
I will see, yeah, that's it. Say, and when you're bringing a chicken come on, Mijiri said, you be sensia, and I be kasa. Why you busy, mum dear, but you be shia and you be kasa, Anna.
You be shia, and yakasa.
Yamin shall we break.
Shankan Yakupo.
27 minutes past 9, Max 89.7.